Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Forex. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex, previously known as Forex Cube, is a low-risk, no-dealing desk Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2018. They offer beginner-friendly trading accounts and plenty of educational resources that you can use to learn the basics of trading, along with advanced and expert courses for more experienced traders. Forex offers more than 70 tradable currency pairs, hundreds of stocks, and a variety of commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and metals that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. Not only is Forex a great option for first-time traders, but you can also automate your trading strategies with them, and they offer PAMM accounts and a variety of PAMM strategies. If you don't know what a PAMM account is in Forex trading, all this means is that you can make investments without actually trading, and it is very similar to copy trading, except that PAMM accounts consist of pooled funds, whereas copy trading accounts are individual accounts. Forex offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find all the information you need regarding their accounts, trading conditions, the platforms and tools they offer, as well as the instruments you can trade with them by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage displays all kinds of information about their account features, and they also provide an account comparison table and a list of supported payment methods further down the page. If you scroll all the way down, there are listed menus that you can use to jump to different sections of the website. All their legal documentation and FAQs can easily be found by choosing an option from these menus. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with them, either view the account comparison table under the trading accounts section of the website, or go directly to the trading instruments menu and choose an instrument from the drop-down list. Forex currently offers more than 70 tradable Forex pairs, 24 CFDs on metals, indices, and commodities, as well as over 200 stocks. Forex offers award-winning customer support. To view their contact details, simply scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage and select the Contact Us option. And you can contact them via live chat, email, or telephonically. Forex's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor functionality, and algorithmic trading support. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and so much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their trading strategies. If you don't want to install any software, you also have the option of using the Forex web trader platform. If you are interested in automating your trades, you can use one of their automated trading solutions. As a client, you can also use Hoko Cloud free of charge to replicate trades in real time on your MetaTrader 4 accounts. And you can also earn extra income by being a strategy provider. Forex also gives their clients access to more than 3,200 MetaTrader signals, and this plugin can also be used for copy trading. So Forex offers some really great solutions for social and copy traders. There are three main types of accounts that you can open with Forex. You can choose between the standard account, the Pro account, or the VIP account. The standard account is a beginner-friendly account that offers floating spreads starting from 0.8 pips on more than 70 currency pairs, 24 CFDs, and over 200 stocks. This account requires the lowest minimum deposit, and you can open a standard account by depositing as little as $10 if you will be using the MetaTrader 4 platform, or $100 if you prefer trading on the MetaTrader 5 platform. If you are a more experienced trader and you are looking for an account with advanced trading tools and more specialized features, we recommend opening a Pro account instead. The minimum deposit required to open a Pro account is $100 when using either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and the spreads on this account start as low as 0.2 pips. High net worth individuals who are making deposits of $25,000 or more can open a VIP account. With this account, there is no limit on the number of positions you can open, and the VIP account is designed to offer the best trading conditions and fastest execution. All accounts can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, and a maximum leverage of 1 to 500 is allowed on all three accounts. If you'll be trading for the first time, then we would recommend opening a demo account to see which account you prefer the most. Demo accounts will give you an opportunity to test out the tools and features of different accounts with zero risks using virtual currency in a simulated market environment. You can use a variety of payment methods such as Visa cards, MasterCard, bank wire transfer, Skrill, NetTeller, and many more to fund your account. Creating an account with Forex may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward. Firstly, launch the Forex homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Then complete the online application form. Verify your account and email address. Next, log into Forex's Traders Room. Within the Traders Room, you can check on your investments, orders, and reports, as well as create demo accounts and manage your live accounts. And once your account is verified, you can fund your account once it is approved and simply start trading. If you are opening a demo account, you will not need to fund your account. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Forex. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational resources and content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. With regards to educational resources and research material, Whether you're looking for market news, market analysis data, market signals, or in-depth courses and trading guides, Forex provides it all. Head over to the educational section of the website to see which courses they offer. And if you are new to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you will also find some helpful platform tutorials here. Forex offers trading courses for beginners, intermediate traders, and professionals. And if you need content for research and analysis, just check out the Market Analysis, Market News, and Market Signals sections of the website. An updated economic calendar is also provided, and we would recommend using this calendar to keep track of major economic events that could have an impact on your trades. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section if you have any questions regarding opening or managing your account, using the platforms, and making deposits and withdrawals. Over the years, Forex has been in operation. They have received many awards, and since launching in 2018, they have been awarded twice for having the best customer support in 2022. Overall, one of the major benefits of trading with Forex is that all of their accounts have incredibly low spreads, so you will have a competitive advantage whether you're a beginner or a professional trader. The minimum deposit required to open a professional account is lower than most other brokers. And what we also like about Forex is that they accept over a dozen secure payment methods, so you'll never have any issues funding your account. And you can fund your account using multiple currencies. Forex is one of our top-rated brokers for beginners and social traders, and we highly recommend trading with them if you are looking for a broker with reliable customer support, extremely low spreads, and plenty of educational content. And that is our overview of Forex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.